Greetings and salutations from beautiful West Palm Beach, Florida. Burr, 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 burr. I'm gonna make sure to drop a sound effect in there somewhere just to make it sound cool, because I'm pretty sure I sound pretty corny doing it. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. It is time to talk about my outfits of last week. Now, normally this wouldn't be anything special, as I tend to wear the same rotation of clothing to work as I have a kind of uniform, so to speak, for work. But I did want to showcase this week's outfits specifically so that I can show you how I style women's wear as a dude. Groundbreaking, right? I know. So, for reference, I am about 5'8" and a little over 200 pounds. Thick boys over here. I find that shopping in the women's department really opens up a lot of great styling opportunities for me without breaking the bank. A majority of today's selections come from Banana Republic Factory, so shout out to y'all, which I find offers an amazing selection of fits and styles that can really help me emulate some of the most popular trends in menswear right now. So let's break it down by day. I'll be offering a little insight into my styling and including links to some of the items down in the description. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to help give it a little boost in the YouTube algorithm and to feed the algorithm god, so to speak. With that said, let's get into the looks. For today, I wanted to take a risk. Since I've been getting back into my Rick Owens bag, I've really been wanting to push my style. I already have a long skirt look that I like to wear with my Rick Owens and Adidas shell-toe sock boots, but I wanted to find a new skirt that I could rock. I remembered seeing one at Adidas Originals a few years back, and I set my sights on tracking that thing down. After browsing a few resale sites, I found this Adidas tulle skirt in black. I love the fact that it's sheer and it really pushed me out of my comfort zone. The length is great, and though I initially hated the mini skirt lining on the inside of it, I found it to be surprisingly comfortable. Listen, you haven't experienced comfort on your boys until you worn a sheer long skirt in this hot Florida heat. I paired it with this light and flowy Banana Republic women's utility shirt. Sizing on the shirt, I went with the petite so it'll be a little bit shorter in the body. Now, I did have to sacrifice a little bit of length on the sleeves, but once again, I live in South Florida, so the chances that I'm going to be rolling these sleeves down are slim to none. And speaking of rolling the sleeves, the shirt actually features a little kind of latching system, so when you roll them up, much like old school safari or utility shirt, you can roll up the sleeves and then use a piece of fabric and a button to hold them in place, which I thought was a really nice feature to add to it, just to kind of keep those sleeves rolled up. Since it's usually pretty cold at work and I love layering, I put on this twill pocket overshirt once again from Banana Republic Factory, once again from the women's department. It's a little bit oversized with a drop shoulder and a crop body. You'll actually end up seeing this shirt a few more times in this video. To finish the look off, I put on my Rick Owens and Adidas shell-toe sock boots I found on Depop. These really take me back to the 2017 me when I used to rock these in white all of the time. The seller gave me a great price and I was happy to snag them, as I have actually been wanting them for a long time, especially this black one. This was the one I wanted the most, but I ended up with the white ones the first time. So it's amazing how things come full circle and you end up getting what you want at the right time. I've really been loving this bootcut revolution we've been experiencing in menswear lately. I've been wanting a pair of Rick Owens bowling trousers for months, but they are like way outside of my tax bracket. Instead, I picked up these Banana Republic Factory sculpted bootcut trousers. The fabric is once again light with a slight sheen on it and a really wide finish at the bottom. On top, I rocked this silky oversized shirt once again from Banana Republic, the women's department. You see the theme here, showing you the ways you can rock this women's wear. It looks effortless. You can't even tell half the time. It's a really simple black button down with a slight sheen on it. I went with the petite once again. It's the perfect fit in the length, in the body, just a little bit short on the sleeve, which I'm fine sacrificing that. For my layering piece, because like I said, I love to layer, I threw on this off-white twill pocket overshirt from Banana Republic Factory, which is essentially the same shirt as the black one you just saw in like an off-white color. I then accessorized the fit with this black cord I found at the fabric store. I usually use it as a belt or like sometimes like a tie around my neck. It's just a cool accent piece to rock that just adds a little bit of depth to the outfit, so to speak. Today I was home most of the day, but I did have an interview that was going to be over Zoom or something similar. Now for me, when I do video calls, I put an entire outfit on. There's just a certain peace of mind to me just being fully dressed. Plus I'm always paranoid that I have to get up abruptly and I'm gonna look ridiculous or be in my underwear or be in like some basketball shorts and like kind of embarrass myself. So I feel like sometimes it's better to just put an entire fit on. And when I say an entire fit, shoes too. I ended up wearing my Ksubi Van Winkles in black. I picked these up from Saks a few months ago, and after trying a few different pairs of jeans, RTAs, R13s, black denim, a few different types, I actually really love the Ksubi. They're really stretchy, they're nice, they fit close to the body just like I like in a skinny jean with a nice taper at the bottom, but they're not so tight that I can't breathe, I can't move in them. So I actually really love the way they fit. They also stack nicely with my Rick Owens Drkshdw abstract in the black foil denim. These feature a chunky platform sole and some really aggressive curves. It's actually a really great modern take on the combat boot in my personal opinion. That's how I like to style them, kind of like a pair of combat boots. On top, I wore this vintage Planet Hollywood shirt that I thrifted a few years ago. And I actually talked about this in my last video, so go check it out to get a little bit of the backstory on this shirt. To finish it off, once again, the Twill overshirt came through in the clutch, this time the olive green version. When I showed up to work today, my coworkers actually told me I looked normal. Like, what the hell does that even mean? I look normal. I wore this patch Banana Republic factory button-down shirt, this time from the men's department, and I paired it with a pair of women's crop bootcut jeans from Banana Republic factory as well. This was a really low-key look, so I really wanted to spice it up with my Rick Owens and Adidas Mastodon shell-toe stretch leather boots. I found them on the Real a little while back, and I wear them the most out of all of my Adidas and Rick Owens collabs. I added some color with this old Y3 cap in a deep red, just to give it like a little bit of pop of color and to bounce off of the little bit of color that's in the patches. For today, I was trying to channel my inner Rick on a budget. So I wore this Banana Republic factory Gauzy sweater and let my arms fly out. Usually I don't because I have this terrible tattoo, but man, this look was way too cool not to. I fleshed it out with these high-waisted bootcut jeans, once again from Banana Republic factory, that feature an exaggerated flare, much like the bootcut trousers we saw earlier in the video. You know your boy wasn't gonna waste an opportunity to rock the Turbowpns with this massive flare, so of course I threw them boys on. I'm not gonna lie, today I was running late for work, so I had to just throw on this Banana Republic factory Tencil boiler jumpsuit. That was a lot of words, I know, but you gotta say it all. It's a one piece, so I didn't have to find a top or bottoms to like match and pair and put together. All I had to do was throw on a pair of underwear and a tank top and I was good to go. The Tencil's light and breathable, and the fabric has a little bit of bounce to it. And I don't mean stretch, I mean literally it feels almost like the fabric bounces with you when you move, or when you move your shoulders, or when you kind of do this. The fabric has a little like whoop, 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 whoop. I know that's super weird. Now that I'm thinking back on, I think I might edit that out, but I probably won't. I paired it with the abstract Ricks and the Twill overshirt just to give it a little bit of depth. And once again, I told you I like layering and it gets a little cold in the store. So sometimes I just gotta slap that boy on and keep it moving. Today was another off day, so I threw on the off-white version of the Gauzy Banana Republic Factory sweater, as well as my Hudson and Brandon Williams Jack Kick flare jeans, which I talked about in my previous video. You already know the program. If you see something with a flare on it, the turbo weapons are going on. But this time, I brought them out in that new egret colorway, which I absolutely love. Like, it paired so well with this outfit. Gave me those rockstar vibes like the other fit did. So I was really feeling it, even if all I was doing was running a few errands. I feel like sometimes when you're off, you just got to dress up for yourself. Not because you feel like people are going to see you, but you just got to get dressed for yourself. And with that said, that is my fits for the week. Saturday through Friday, every day, put something on my body. And I'd encourage you to do that. Even if you're just sitting at home, if you're employed, unemployed, in school, not in school, whatever you're doing. Instead of, throwing on some sweatpants or whatever and walking outside the house, maybe throw on a full fit, because you'll feel a little bit better about yourself. You'll feel a little bit better about these clothes that you have. And I feel like it all just goes full circle. Treat yourself. Get dressed. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. If you really enjoy my content, if you enjoy my personality, if you enjoy what I'm doing, if you want to see more from me, click that subscribe button. And you can also click that little bell icon if you want to be notified when I'm coming through with new stuff. You can also follow me on Instagram, which I will put up somewhere. It's probably not going to pop up the place that I just slid my hand across, but it's fine. We'll pretend like we did do that. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. I hope you found something in there that you can use. As I said before, some of the links to some of the items that are still available for purchase are right down there in the description. So feel free to hop down and, experiment a little bit with your style and push yourself outside of your comfort zone. And I hope that's what I am encouraging you to do with this brand new video. Try something different, be genderless with your style. That's me. I'm Marcus, aka Crooked Mark. Thank you for watching. And until next Friday, peace.